I'm Mahoning McBride with Mahoning River Adventures, and we are your local kayaking company. So we are here in Leavittsburg to get everybody out on the Mahoning River to enjoy something that everyone kind of forgets about. It's right in our backyards. It flows through the heart of Trumbull County all the way through and heads to the Ohio River, and it's something everybody should get out and enjoy. So when you're out on the Mahoning River on a kayak with us, it gives you a whole new perspective of the Mahoning River and the resource that's right here. It is something that puts you out in nature. We live in such an urban society, but you get out there, you're surrounded by the trees, you get to see wildlife, birds, eagles, a heron, other little critters, and it makes you think you're somewhere else that you really aren't. And it's good to have that feeling right in your hometown. To get out on a single kayak, it's about $30 plus tax, and on our tandem kayak, which is for two and great for kids and older people, that is right around $55 and up. So that's for our short 3.6 mile trip, which takes about 2 hours. The thing that makes me the happiest about doing kayak rentals is seeing the youth being excited and happy about being outdoors when they come back from being out on the river, seeing the eagles, seeing the heron, seeing various wildlife. It's a great feeling to see that they love something that's outdoors versus being stuck inside, which a lot of kids nowadays want to do. A few things that I think everybody should have out on the river when you're paddling are some good eye protection, so some sunglasses, a nice bucket hat if you have one. That's not gonna work, we're gonna have to try that again. There's a blooper for you. Some of the things that you want to make sure that you're bringing out with you when you're paddling are some sunglasses, because you are out in the sun, a nice hat, bucket hats are always preferred, some water to have to drink, put your sunscreen on before you go, and everybody can't go anywhere without their cell phones, so make sure you rent or bring your own cell phone dry bag to have your phone out and keep it safe on the river. So you can visit us at paddletheriver.com and select into Mahoning River Adventures.